see, today is going to be another What I Eat in a Day on Nutrisystem, although I am starting a new box. If you guys are interested in seeing what's in this new box, it's a Power Lean 5-day, if I can get it, body select, all that stuff, 5-day weight loss system, but it's for specific body types. If you guys are interested in that, check out my last video, I will link it. And as always, if you guys are interested in trying Nutrisystem for 50% off, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box, as well as in my top comments. It's always going to be there, guys. And then if you guys are interested in the 5-day boxes, I'll also have links to like where you can get those kind of stuff too. As you can see, I just had my breakfast. I had an egg as one of my power fuels, and then I had some spinach and tomatoes on the side because you got to get your veggies in. And then for the Nutrisystem part, I had this Harvest Nut Oat Bar. I can't talk today. So I'm just going to go over like calories and all that stuff if you guys didn't see what it was. It actually tasted really good. It just kind of tastes like a peanut butter bar, and I really love peanut butter. So 160 calories, 6 grams of total fat, 2 grams of dietary fiber, and 7 grams of protein. I guess it should taste like, let's see the flavors in there. It looks like it has cherries in it. I don't feel like I tasted the cherries, if that's what it was. And it has almond nuts, I think, in it. It says peanuts. Let's say it tastes like peanuts, not almonds. It has peanuts, almonds, cherry. So that's why it tastes like peanut butter. But obviously, if you guys have like a nut allergy, you couldn't do this. But for those of you who don't, it is delicious. Okay, so I was debating on what I was going to be doing for today. Yellow rice and black beans, red beans. Red beans and rice with quinoa, or just this, although I'm hungrier today and I had a bar for breakfast, so that wouldn't be wise. Plus, a lot of times when I'm on the go, these are a lot more convenient to be taking along with you, and since I'm not door dashing at the moment, I'm not going to use that one. It's most likely going to be this one. So again, like I've said before, you want to make sure that what you put together works, so you don't want to have like 3 bars in a day or something like that. That would be ridiculous. And then also your protein and your carbs and everything would be off. So a lot of times you got to be paying attention to the back of this and just kind of also go with what your body feels. You don't want to end up accidentally being left really hungry, because I know that I think the first week or 2 that I was on it, I felt really hungry, and somebody had told me, they were like, you have to eat your veggies, you have to remember to eat your veggies, but then also you're probably not organizing them right. I was like, I felt like maybe that was common sense, but I just didn't do it. And so I just made sure that the 2 things that I was going to pair together just made sense for how hungry I was, from getting the right nutrients and carb intake and just like everything throughout my day. So it would be these 2, most likely going to go with this, and then I do have some cauliflower rice that I wanted to add on, so I think that would make the most sense. I explained in my last video, the unboxing one, that I like to keep things simple. I don't like a whole lot of cleanup, and part of the reason that people get Nutrisystem is not because it's already a worked out system for you. You don't have to be counting calories, you don't have to be figuring out what to get, how much of this, how much of that. It's already done for you, but then when you think about it and you're like, oh, I have to add extra veggies, or I have to end up cooking anyway, or something like that, I feel like this is a pretty good solution. Is just getting the kinds of stuff that you can heat up in the microwave, unless you don't mind just, cook batching all of your vegetables, and that works too, because sometimes I would throw a bunch of stuff in the oven, roast them all up, and then I just take them out whenever I get hungry, and that works just as well too. But I think that this gives me extra variety without feeling like I'm cooking a bunch of extra stuff just to keep it full of variety, and then plus there's no cleanup, and yeah. So 5.5 to 6 minutes. Easy peasy. Side note, I might be making myself another cup of coffee. I really wanted to use this Vital Proteins collagen creamer. I've had it once before and I liked it. And then they have these other ones. So I know I'm supposed to use the Nutrisystem protein, and I don't mind that. Oh, there's my food. But I do like these as well. I haven't tried all of them, so I got a little pack from Meyer, and I'll leave that linked down below if you guys want to try it or like Vital Protein. I think the pink one is supposed to be some type of like strawberry, or I don't know, something like a strawberry hibiscus. mix. And it's supposed to taste really good. You just mix it with water. No, the other one at the store was strawberry lemonade. This one is tropical hibiscus, which sounds delightful. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my regular food in just a minute. Gotta get the kids their peanut butter and jelly stuff. Check out this cornucopia we've got going on over here. And then the kids mac and cheese that I say that they're probably not gonna eat. You know how it is. I love cauliflower. You can do so much with it. Okay, I got this in a batch. Like half my bowl, just so I know I'm gonna be hungry. If I ate this by itself, I did this in one of my other What I Eat in a Day videos, I would be really hungry. The last time, I believe I ate this with a bunch of zucchini and yellow squash roasted. And it was really good that way, but this way I just felt like I would just add more rice, you know what I mean? Okay, so that's what this looks like. And I'm going to give you guys nutrition facts in a second. So I guess we'll just go in the front. 180 calories, 4 grams of total fat, 4 grams of dietary fiber, and 10 grams of protein. And then if you guys want this one, I mean it's just cauliflower, but if you get 3/4 of a cup of, well, frozen, but half a cup of prepared, so that makes more sense. It's 20 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of protein. And I guess if you guys were wondering, 2 grams of sugar. So that is my meal. Cheers. It tastes so good, you guys don't even know. Well, unless you're on Nutrisystem, then you do know. You know. So I'm gonna make the kids their sandwiches. We are going to stuff our faces because we're hungry. And then I will see you guys for dinner. Alright, then so for dinner we're going to do this cheesy chicken casserole. 250 calories, 10 grams of total fat, 4 grams of fiber, and 17 grams of protein. Does that sound good, bud? And then, let's see, just a bunch of Brussels sprouts. Just going to put a bunch of seasoning on it so it tastes good. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Serving size 1 1/4 cup. Serving size, so the calories per serving is 80 calories. Okay, and then total carbs, 4 grams of carbs, 5 grams of dietary fiber, 3 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of protein. So not bad. So I'll put those bad boys in the microwave, I think. Yeah, you can microwave them or put them on the skillet. Either one. Okay, so one of the last things I wanted to show you guys. Hey, bud, thanks. Quest birthday cake. I'm so excited about that. I hope it's better than the Nutrisystem birthday cake. I'm not eating this today, but I saw this at the store and I was reading the label. It looked pretty good and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit excited about this. If you guys have been watching my channel, then you know I got a really big sweet tooth. So let's see. This is 21 grams of protein, 4 grams of net carbs, 1 gram of sugar, 14 grams of fiber. And yeah, that picture, something about the colors, they just really popped out, and the look of that birthday cake. I was a little disappointed. It's 180 calories though. I was a bit disappointed with the Nutrisystem one. It did not taste anything like birthday cake. It did taste like a little sweet and it tasted like vanilla. So I'll give them that. And it had those little sprinkles on top. Kind of made it taste like I was eating kind of like a cake-like type of thing, like a little zebra cake that was less sweet. But I'm hoping that this is gonna be a good option. Yum, I'll probably have this tomorrow. Was that a bit much? Was I like too excited over this? Probably, but can you blame me if there's a bar that actually tastes like cake? I don't even know. My life would be complete. It's the end of the night. We're finally eating dinner. This is what my dinner looks like. So not bad. It looks really mushy and it's not too tasty, I know. But I did try a bite and I think it actually tastes a lot better than it looks. And usually when you would have some type of like chicken salad or tuna salad or something like that, you would have it with crackers, but I'm not going to be having it with crackers. You could probably incorporate some type of whole wheat roll or something like that and have it with a roll, in between a roll, slice it up, make it like, you know, you can scoop it or something. I'm actually just gonna use cucumbers instead. I'm gonna scoop it up and it's gonna give the same kind of effect, or kind of. And then some Brussels sprouts. And for my drink, I didn't end up drinking that coffee I said I was gonna drink. I just was like 70 extra calories for that specific creamer. I think I could do without that. So I'm going to be doing the Jamaica Blood Orange. I don't know how to pronounce that, by Bubbles. Sparkling antioxidant fusion bubbly drink. Anyway, so that is 5 calories for the whole can. 0 protein but 0 fat. So yeah, it's actually really good. It's a really good alternative for people who like soda or just fizzy type of drinks, which I do. I don't like soda, but I like fizzy drinks. And the kids are having mac and cheese.
Yummy.
Gary's favorites.
And it's unicorn and stars. Yum. Reheated mac and cheese.
And surprisingly, they actually like broccoli. It's like one of their favorites. Not so much Brussels sprouts, but, you know,
Blech.
I'll take what I can get.
Bye-bye.
Oh, he wants to say bye to Daddy.
Bye-bye.
That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out that 50% off of Nutrisystem link down below in the description and or top of the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Mwah.